I want to introduce to you a new thing here at the Humaniversity, and it's a group called Money. Money, 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 money. Now, who doesn't want money? Everybody wants money. And in this group, we will look at why we don't have the financial situation which we would like to have. So when I was a teenager, I believed that all rich people were really bad people. I rejected the money totally. I felt like people who make money, they only abuse other people. And guess what? My life had no money in it, zero. So once we start realizing that we are actually responsible for our lives, you can see that your money situation is what you are creating. Now that's a big step to accept. Okay, it's not the economy, it's not the social system, it's me who creates this situation. And from there you can then really start to look at your belief systems, like money is bad, rich people are fucked up. There's thousands of belief systems. I have to work really, really hard for money. Money is only for a few rich people. But money is just money, it's very neutral. And in this group we will look at these belief systems and then we will change it. We will go for what we really want. We will start to manifest what you really want in your life.
Manifest.
Manifest. The amazing thing is with looking at your money situation, your money beliefs, is that when you look at it, the rewards are amazing. You really can make money or receive, not even make, you can receive money. There is so much money in the whole world, but we need to open ourselves up to it. So I'm very excited for this group. Thank you very much.